Good morning, everyone. It's Muriel. Welcome back and happy Saturday to you all. I just have a small haul that I did, and I want to show you a card and a project that I made yesterday. So I went to Walmart because I have been diligently placing my dies on metal sheets, and this is the only place I can find to get them for like under $2. They come in a 2-pack. They are the Create adhesive magnet sheets, and they're really strong, and you get 2 in a pack. And I went yesterday and I just bought them all. I think I got probably 20 because I've been diligently putting all my tags on magnets, so that, and I'm going to be labeling them today when I'm sitting down watching television. I'm going to put the labels on them. So I picked that up, and I said they were under $2. I think they were $1.57 or something like that. I did go to Hobby Lobby, oh gosh, at lunchtime, I think last week. Didn't find much. I don't even know what I went to look for. I think I went to look for a die, and oh, and I bought some home decor stuff. So I found this cute stamp: Ride with unicorns, swim with mermaids, chase rainbows. $1.67. I think it'd be cute when I'm playing with the chenille paper and its embellishments. And then I wanted to try this out. This is new to me. This is chiffon ribbon by Paper Studio. Paper Studio was maybe 40% off. So I just tried that. They had several colors. I just wanted to try the cream and white. And then I found this tag set. You guys, look at the price, $1.39. She even double take because it was regularly $12. So it's just a tag die. I've been like, I didn't have a lot of tags. I mean, I recently ordered this one. It came yesterday. And then this one here. And I think there may be another one coming in the mail. I'm not sure. So I got that. And then I looked through the Tim Holtz stuff, and he has this new worn wallpaper scraps. And I thought that would make some beautiful cards for Mother's Day. So I'm going to see how that's going to play out. So these are, I'm not even sure how big they are, but they're probably 6 by 5 by 8, 5.5 by 8. And there's 20 of them, and then there's like 29 flowers, something like that. So that's going to be fun. I picked up this die. It was in the clearance section. It is a card for Christmas. I kind of like the style, but I don't like the colors that they used. So, comes with a lot of, it's a nice size card. So that was only $7. And then I went back to the, oh, while I was in the clearance aisle, I always look at the paper packs. Sometimes I am hesitant because you can't see them all. But this pack had this beautiful pink with the cherries on it. And then it had this pink striped, which I love. Right? And then it had this gray, blue, and red, all of the same pattern. So you have the gray and white stripe. And it was just giving me Memorial Day, 4th of July vibes. That blue there. And then this here, which is, it almost feels like vellum, but it's not. This here, yeah, doesn't have a name on it. Geo Mosaic. And then lastly, this one here, and I don't know what pattern this is. I don't know if that's, I don't know if it's snow. I don't know, but pretty. And then several of them that I'm going to be taking to the Goodwill today, which is this sheet here. Not sure what that is, but it looks like maybe something to do with baseball or something. And then these here, soccer, because I don't have any need for those. And then these here, they're tennis balls. And then these here, baseball. So Not going to be needing these. Not going to be using them for envelopes. Just going to go ahead and have a small box downstairs that is accumulating. So I'm going to go ahead and turn those over. Then last night, yesterday, I did also make another card. I saw this card. Let me see if I can find. I saw this card on the back of one of the embellishment packs from Shamil's line. So I'll show it to you, and then you can see kind of where I got the idea from. So here was the, these are the corner embellishments. And then that was the card that I saw and thought, wow, that's really cute. So I quickly, because I have a paper pad of hers, so then I created this card. I used the paintbrush, which is a really nice fabricy, sticky one. This die cut magic, and then I cut out, this had said You're Pure Magic, but I cut the word magic out and just popped it up. And then I used the corners. And then the paper that I'm using is that double-sided 110-pound cardstock I recently picked up at Hobby Lobby. So, and then the inside looks like that. So, and I'm just using a white envelope for that. And then I made some gift card holders. I was watching, Bona showed a video on her Instagram, a picture on her Instagram of some wooden round pieces that she used to put her buttons on, but she had put it on a tag. So then I was following Paper Sweets, and she made some of the gift card holders. So she has the small tutorials, really sweet. And I'm using this. This is the last of the Spring Market papers that I have, but I used that paper pad, and I made 2 of the gift card holders. So the first one looks like this. So this is just a, she gives you the dimensions to cut the tag out, and you use a 2-inch circle to cut that out. I recently made a couple of these dangles here. This one says plant. I'm using some flowers from one of my dies. So when you pull the card out, I punched it with this little punch that I got from Stampin' Up! A long time ago. It allows you to put gift cards to kind of hold them in place. So if this was a gift card, I would just put it on the back, like so. And then it can go back inside of the envelope. And then that's just one of the cut aparts from the collection. And then I put Happy Days, 2 of the gems. And that's that one. And then the second one is this here. Just says smile. Again, you would just pull the little message out. And then on the back, you could just place your gift card like so, and then put it back in the sleeve. So a couple of years ago, I made several of these gift card holders. I'll show you what they look like. Hopefully I'll be able to use them all up. I made these with paper bags. Just folded the paper bag in half. I put a border strip around it, a little tag, flower, and string. And then this is where the gift card would go. And then this is where your message would be, right? And on the back. So this was definitely Halloween. So hopefully I'll find someone who has a birthday during that time. And then this one here. Just use some really pretty summer paper. And there you go. This is Thought You'd Like to Spend Your Day Spending. And then, of course, the gift card would go in here. And then I used some Graphic 45 paper on this one. Same thing. I just used my card, but that's where the gift card would go. And then it would hang out right there. And then you would have that for your message. And then another one I did for Halloween. So hopefully I'll use these up. They're quite larger, as you can see, than this one here. But these are really cute. So I'll leave the link down below to her channel, Paper Sweet. She has a cute tutorial on how she made these gift card envelopes. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great Saturday. Until my next video, you guys take care. Bye now.